Tesla seems to be defying skeptics, up 1.5%. This is Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025. Yesterday lost 5.11%. In the post market session, the company disclosed its delivery numbers, and they may have been influenced, they were quite up. They may have been influenced by the expiration of the 7,500 tax credits, but there's more now. We'll hear about that pretty soon. So the extrapolation is saying that this bounce it has now may be rejected, and the downtrend that began in the post market, yeah, began yesterday. As a matter of fact, yesterday the 2nd of October may continue up till Tuesday, the 7th of October, when it may pivot and the uptrend may continue. Projections here are saying 469.11, 482.85, 491.34. It printed a 52-week high of 479.38 yesterday as well. Yesterday, the second. Price pressure momentums are okay. They're all both trending. The 10 and 21 period moving average, they are trending. No. The 10 period moving average is not trending. The positions opened 10 hours ago, 40 hours ago are just fractionally up. The ones opened up to it 4 hours ago are doing well. Nothing here is negative, indicating that buyers are really present here. Buyers, but they have kept the 21 period moving average above water, and they're also moving the 10 period moving away. Sorry, 10 period moving out, 10 period moving out, moving average. They're moving it away from negativity as things stand right now. But there's more to those delivery numbers. There's more. Let's listen.
Tesla expands in the Middle East with the Cybertruck launch in Qatar. In a strategic move to boost international sales, Tesla is officially launching the Cybertruck in Qatar. This follows the company's established presence in the United Arab Emirates since 2017 and the opening of its first Saudi Arabia showroom in April 2025. The expansion into the oil-rich Gulf region is designed to diversify its customer base and find new high-growth markets. On Thursday, October 2nd, the company said it delivered nearly 500,000 vehicles in the third quarter, beating quarterly records and exceeding Wall Street's expectations. Although the surge in sales was most likely fueled by the end of the $7,500 tax credit, the news drove shares to their highest level this year before surrendering gains throughout the rest of the day. The rollout in Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE marks the Cybertruck's first international expansion outside of North America. Though the vehicle has faced mixed reviews in the US, Tesla is appealing to high-income buyers in the Gulf, where large, status-oriented pickups are popular. A strategic shift to counter global headwinds. This Middle East focus comes as Tesla faces significant market challenges elsewhere. Intense European competition. In Europe, Tesla's market share has been eroded by more affordable Chinese EVs, like those from BYD, and stronger offerings from legacy European automakers. U.S. market uncertainty. Back in the US, the electric vehicle market faces a potential slowdown following the expiration of the $7,500 federal EV tax credit at the end of September. Third quarter sales record driven by a temporary rush. On October 2nd, Tesla announced it delivered nearly 500,000 vehicles globally in the third quarter, a record breaking figure that surpassed analyst expectations. However, analysts believe this delivery surge was primarily fueled by U.S. buyers rushing to purchase vehicles before the tax credit expired. The news initially caused Tesla shares to rally to their highest point this year before losing gains throughout the trading day. The stock's performance reflects investor concern over whether sales can maintain momentum in the fourth quarter without the incentive. Fourth quarter sales and future strategy. With the third quarter sales largely influenced by a one time event, investors are now shifting focus to Tesla's performance in the final quarter of the year. The company's ability to maintain growth will depend on new products, such as the cheaper Model Y variant planned for late 2025 and expansion into new markets, including the Middle East. In the long term, some investors are looking beyond vehicle sales and pinning hopes on Tesla's more speculative ventures, including its robo-taxi, artificial intelligence, and robotics.
Okay, so that's what's going on right now. So you heard it. They are expanding into Qatar, into the Middle East. Yeah,
Tesla expands in the Middle East with the Cybertruck launch in Qatar.
yeah, you heard that. So we haven't. I don't think it has popped up here on the news items on Trading View. It hasn't popped up yet. So let's see. Yeah, it hasn't popped up yet. Not part of the news yet. Yeah, but it's Tesla is definitely one of the stocks in the move. Yeah, still part of the whole move. Part of the yeah, regardless of what it lost yesterday, 5.11%. That's quite reasonable. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. We'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.